Is there a lamer way to die than this?
Please keep your voice down while in the library.
Oh man, this place is crazy!
The penalties depend on the distance and volume, but just keep in mind that doing something like sneezing in her ear means instant death.
Death for just sneezing?
But as long as you don't make a sound, you'll be fine.
I find your face is rather noisy.
His face? That's not reasonable at all!
Keep your head as you move about.
What was that?
The book blew up all of a sudden!
Just get out of there, before she can find you. Mei-chan's coming from corridor A12. You have 6.5 seconds.
Travel along the wall to your right and you'll be back at the entrance.
I think it's time you go to sleep.